Okay, Chris, this is where we are on this motor. There was a lot of issues that you have on the top end here. You had a broken bracket over here, and actually that's just for pollution purposes. But all the vacuum and the pollution air does accommodate the carburation. This carburation, we got everything kind of color coded, so hopefully everything goes back together where it should be. As you can see right here, the fuel pump port, it seems to have a lot of goop in it. Down here on the bottom where the oil filter is going, there's a lot of goop down in there. So I think what's going to have to happen is I'm going to have to raise this motor, and in order to drop that oil pan, because there's going to be a lot of debris down in that oil pan, and there really isn't a really good way to flush this motor without it being out. So I might have to unbolt it from the motor mounts, pick it up, drop the oil pan, clean up the oil pan, and then try to flush the top end after I get the valve cover off and the head off. And this down here is the timing chain cover, timing chain and gear. I think that's where the problem originated. That chain tends to stretch and wear out the water jacket that's way over here on the other side. So that's the next step. We take all this, all these apparatuses here off, the fan, the pulleys, the compressor, the distributor, the exhaust manifold and exhaust pipes, power steering pulley, valve cover, and then we get to the head bolts, and then we will be able to access the actual internals of the top end. So that's where we're at. I want to shoot you this video just so you know where we're at. And as you can see, it can be quite a challenge, especially a carbureted motor, on the disassembly and the reassembly. So once we get the head off, it'll go to the machine shop, they'll mill it, they'll check the valves for leakage, and then we'll take it from there.